Welcome to the recorded demo video of Property Tax Management System for Citizen. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Citizen Login option on the system interface to access the Citizen functions. Upon selecting Citizen Login, the user will be directed to the ePraman sign-in page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, tick the I consent checkbox, and then click on the Sign In button. After successfully sign in, the user will be redirected to the Citizen dashboard. Select the Property module from the available options to perform actions related to property services. Upon selecting the Property option, the user will be redirected to the Property dashboard. The Property dashboard provides various options for submitting applications, including link holding, apply new holding, apply mutation, and apply bifurcation. To apply for a holding, select Apply New Holding option to access the Apply New Assessment application form. Before proceeding to the application form, user must select the ULB. Select the ULB, then click the Start button to proceed. After selecting the ULB, the user will be redirected to the Apply New Assessment application form. The Apply New Assessment application form will display detailed information about the required fields for your convenience. The user must fill in all the required basic details in Step 1 of the application form, including Old ward number, New ward number, Ownership type, Property type. After completing all the required basic details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 2, the user must fill in all the required property address and details in the application form, including Khata number, plot number, village or Mauja name, area of plot, in decimal, road width, in feet, PIN code, building name, street name, location, landmark, property address. If the corresponding address is the same as the property address, tick the checkbox, and then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, if there is no electric connection, please uncheck the relevant option. Otherwise, the user must fill in the required details, including electricity K number or ACC number, bind or book number, electricity consumer category, building plan approval number, building plan approval date, water consumer number, water consumer date. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, click the Add Owner button to access the Add Owner form. The user must fill in all the required owner details in the application form, including owner name, gender, date of birth, guardian, father or husband name, relation, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email. Select Yes under Armed Forces if applicable, and otherwise, select No. Select Yes under Specially Abled if applicable, and otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Owner button. The user can add multiple owners by repeating the same method. Upon adding the owner, proceed by clicking the Save and Next. In Step 5, click the Add Floor button to access the Add Floor form. The user must fill in all the required floor details in the application form, including floor name, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area, in square feet, from date. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Floor button. The user can add multiple floors by repeating the same method. Upon adding the floor, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In step 6, the user must fill in all the required additional details in the application form, including zone. Select Yes if the property has mobile towers, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has hoarding boards, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has a petrol pump, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has rainwater harvesting provisions, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. All the completed details will be displayed for final review and consent before submission, along with the total payable amount. Click on the Submit button to complete the final submission. The form has been successfully submitted. A confirmation message will be displayed along with the total tax amount, details, and the option to upload documents. Proceed by clicking the Upload Document option to upload the required documents. The user must upload the required owner documents and property documents. Click on the View option under the Owner Documents section to upload the owner document. To upload the owner's photograph, select the document type, then click on the Choose File button to select the image. After selecting the image, click on the Upload button. To upload the ID proof, select the document type, then click on the Choose File button to select the file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload button. To upload the registered sale, gift, lease, khatiya, or partition deed, select the document type, then click on the Choose File button to select the file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload button. To upload the corrected land revenue holding slip, select the document type, then click on the Choose File button to select the file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload button. After completing the document upload, a confirmation message will be displayed. Proceed by clicking on the Pay Tax option to begin the payment process. The demand details will be displayed along with the total payable amount. Click on the Pay Tax button to initiate the payment. Upon clicking the Payment button, all available payment options will be displayed. Select your preferred payment method and complete the payment. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.